Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the info bird card for the Blue Peafowl in Heartopia. This bird is so beautiful like this. It has a blue and green color like this with the patterns like this. It's so beautiful, and you can find this bird when you join the Nest of Hundreds event. That you can join it at the NPC Bailey J at the fishing village. This one, the exact locations is on here. This one. Usually it will start automatically hosted by Bailey J at every 5 p.m. This one, so you can join it at the 5 p.m. every 5 p.m. And for the times, it will appear at all times. This bird will appear all times and in almost any weather, at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just make sure to join this event. You can join the event that hosted by Belly J automatically, or you can also start the event by yourself. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.